Hello everyone, we are here with my Ram today because I got to make a custom tailgate. When I got my Cushman loaded up, I can have a trailer connected with the screw jack where it is and be able to have everything loaded up. Currently, the trailer I'm going to be pulling the charger on going to the No Name Nationals, the trailer jack hits somewhere in this area, so I'm gonna cut. I'm just gonna cut all that out. But thankfully, I was able to pick up another tailgate, so I'm not gonna be cutting this one up. So here is my extra tailgate that I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for pretty cheap. Somebody decided to use it for target practice for a couple shots. But I don't care. It mounts up good. It's not majorly dented or bent or anything, so I'm good with that. This whole area right here is going to be cut out, and let me show you on the inside. There's a support beam right in the center here, right where I need it to be. So all this upper part's going to be cut out, and I'm gonna make a cut down to here, down to the support bar right here. And then my plan is to, after I have all this cut out, is to fold this over the top of that beam and then just tack it in place all the way down. Now this metal seems to be pretty thick, so I'm just gonna have that bottom part closed off to the beam. If it's strong enough, I'm gonna leave the sides open for now. I have an idea of what I want to do to make this tailgate a little bit better. So probably not going to have any speedy footage of me cutting this out, because I need to get it done. Let's pull out the angle grinder with the cutoff wheel and start going to town on it. Well, I got everything cut out I think I need to get cut out, and I went down a little bit too far right there, so I'm gonna have to put a piece of angle iron right there to get that strengthened back up. Also, the panel bond or whatever they used go all the way across is broken loose, so now tailgate's pretty wobbly. So what I'm gonna do, attach some sheet metal screws all the way down to get that strength back, and then after I do that, I'm gonna get a piece of angle iron long enough to go from this side to that side and create a structure that can go across the middle for the front tire to roll on. So after I do that, and I'm gonna attach it to that cover piece right there, so we can attach it right there and then take it back off whenever we don't need it. So that's the plan. Well, it has been about a week, and I have gotten what I needed to finally finish this tailgate, so let's take a look at it. Alright, here it is. I've got a piece of I think this is 2-inch angle iron. I've got it screwed to the end of the tailgate, mostly to keep it perfectly centered without me having to worry about it. And I got that piece of angle iron just sitting there underneath the metal on that structure. Also put some more of these sheet metal screws all the way down on that brace to really stiffen up the tailgate again, and it really is strong again. And I beat down that lip that I had cut in it. So, and then sheet metal screwed it to the brace, so this tailgate is really solid. And my plan is to use strips use strips of this bar stock right here, welded on right about there, ending right about there on the angle iron. Have one right there, have one right there, and then lay this on top of it. There we go. Lay that on top of it. I haven't decided if I want to weld it on the bottom side or not. Probably will. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll play it by ear. But it's on there. It's or it will be on there after I get stuff made. So let's get stuff cut and finish getting this thing made. Well, I got it all welded, and I believe I'm done for now. I did weld this piece to the bar stock right there. So whenever I take this whole center section out, I take off the screw right here. I could always put a bolt in since I have access to the inside. I take out this screw on both sides, and then the 3 screws holding on this whole inspection cover, and that whole center piece will come out. The Cushman front tire should roll right there in the center. It'll help me get this get the Cushman perfectly centered, or whatever I'm loading perfectly centered in here in my truck bed. So let's get this mounted on my truck and see what it looks like. Here's my good tailgate, and there's the modified one. That's about the same. Might be the tailgate might still be tweaked a little bit, but it ain't bad. Now for the stand on and bounce test. So let me get up in the bed. All right, let's see. I think it's flexing a little bit, but it's not bad. Honestly, the flexing might be in this little piece right here. I think for the purposes of loading the Cushman up back here, it's going to work out perfectly. So let's now take it off and see how easy it is to take it off and put back on. All right, all the screws are out. So let's see. Oh, nice. Removes very nicely. Like I said, the rear wheels on the Cushman are probably going to be riding somewhere about right here. So it'll have plenty of support right there. Now to see if I can get it back on. Get the angle iron under there. All I gotta do is line up the holes, and that's it. So it looks like I'm done with my tailgate modification for now. Now I need to go to my buddy's place and see how this thing works on the trailer. Make sure that the modifications are actually going to work. Well, I'm at my buddy Ricky's place, and it looks like this my custom tailgate looks like it's going to work out. See, the problem was the screw jack is angled that way and would have definitely hit the end of the tailgate. But it definitely looks like it's going to work just fine. Let me get up here and let you look at it. All right, I'm pretty sure that's plenty of clearance, and I don't think we're going to have any problems with with those corners of the tailgate hitting the box. Only under super tight corners, so we'll just avoid really tight turns. So hopefully we don't, but if we do mess that up, we will replace it. But it looks like everything's going to work right. The Cushman rear tire should sit right about there, and then we got clearance for the jack, and trailer. So there we go. Looks like the loadout for No Name Nationals next week is definitely going to work. Going to look really awesome going down the road with the Cushman in the bed of the truck and the truck pulling the Charger. So going to be really awesome. So there it is. There's my custom fifth wheel style tailgate. Honestly, I'm probably going to trash it after No Name and actually get an actual fifth wheel tailgate and modify that, because it's going to look a lot better. This is just temporary to get me to No Name. There it is. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.